As one of the leading manufacturers of coil processing equipment, KINGREAL is committed to providing customers with high-quality equipment and excellent after-sales service. Recently, KINGREAL successfully completed the installation and after-sales service of a metal coil slitting machine in Italy, receiving high recognition from the customer. KINGREAL engineers assisted the Italian customer in completing the installation of the metal coil slitting machine, ensuring stable production in the customer's factory. The metal coil slitting machine is designed for the slitting and recoiling process of metal coils. The Italian customer required the slitting of coils with thicknesses ranging from 0.3 mm to 3 mm. Processing thinner materials demands a high-precision slitting machine to ensure accuracy in slitting and precision in recoiling. After completing the installation of the metal slitting machine production line, KINGREAL engineers conducted on-site production testing in the customer's factory. They recorded slitting process data, adjusted the equipment as needed, and ultimately achieved high-precision slitting. Beyond installation, one of the most important tasks for KINGREAL engineers was to train and guide the workers in the Italian customer's factory. Through clear instruction and communication, they ensured that the customer could operate the equipment correctly, thereby improving production efficiency and extending the equipment's service life. Before shipping the metal coil slitting machine to Italy, KINGREAL conducted a factory trial run to ensure equipment quality. The factory performed a complete test run, recording production processes to assist in later after-sales training. Only after passing comprehensive quality inspections was the equipment arranged for transportation and delivery to the customer's factory. Completing the after-sales installation of the metal coil slitting machine in Italy is only the first step in KINGREAL's cooperation with the customer. We are committed to continuing to provide after-sales service and being a long-term partner for our customers. We welcome all customers to choose KINGREAL.